Miss Mocha, are you tired from your artwork that you practiced so hard with that pen on the sheet that we put over the new sofa to keep it clean from you and your brother? Are you feeling any guilt on what you did? I know you're not really sleeping. Stop pretending you're sleeping. I know you're not sleeping. Really? Oh, you're awake? Can we talk about what you did on the sofa there? Do you feel any guilt for what you did? Any shame? Oh, shame! You feel the shame! Okay, as long as you feel bad for what you did and you're not going to do it again, I don't have a problem with it. Because you know your mama loves you. I love you.